Soft natural poly nail gel colors. Modelones Poly Nail Gel Kit comes with 6 colors Poly Nail Gel Builder Nail Gel, which are suitable for any daily looks. Each poly gel bottle is 15 milliliters (0.5 ounces), which is enough for you to make your DIY nail salon at home. High quality and long-lasting. Modelones Poly Nail Gel featuring innovative all-toxin-free ingredients and botanical extracts formula to give nails high-endurance long-lasting strength, which is cruelty-free, low-odor, safe on natural nails. Under the proper application, extend your nails and show them off for more than 28 days. Easy quickly dry under nail lamp. This poly nail gel needs to be cured under nail light. Average for light 60 to 90 secs. Through the detailed instructions on the listing and the package, even beginners can easily experience the DIY salon at home. Remove tips. If you want to change the nail art style and remove the nail extension gel, you can file the nail extension gel down and then buffer it. A nail drill machine will save your time and help to remove faster and cleaner. Customer service. Any problem, contact the seller directly. We offer to replace or refund service. Our product is brand new and sealed well. If the item you get is not new or damaged, defective or missing items, please feel free to turn to us for help. Please note, take a skin test for 24 hours before use. If discomfort or allergy occurs, please stop using it immediately. Top reviews from the United States. Great results after hours of practice. Okay, this product is something else. I think I love it, but have mixed feelings. Here is why. It is not as easy as the video makes it out to be, but after 4 sets and a ton of hours. My friend and I got it figured out, sort of. It definitely is not a first-time perfect product. There is a learning curve.